Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can manage modes and routines on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to find them, we need to go to the settings, and then over here if we scroll down we will find modes and routines. If you go here you will find some pre-made modes that we can use, such as sleep, theater, driving, exercise, relax and work. All of them are pretty much customizable, so if we start them then we can select when we want to add them and so on and so forth. You can also create your own mode by scrolling all the way down, and then you have add mode. You can press on this button, set the name, the color and the icon, and then press done, and then you can decide when you want to turn it on or off, if you want to use the stay focused mode or if you want to perform other actions. Keep in mind that you can always press on these buttons even though they are kind of grayed out. You can also change the appearance if needed, and later on you can also manually turn this option on or mode actually by pressing on this button. And in the top right corner, if you tap on these three dots, you can completely disable or actually remove this mode. Now going back, we can also go to routines, which work in a somewhat similar way. We can press this plus button over here in the top right corner, and then we can create routines. If something happens, something that we can select, then what should happen? And this is where we can create the routine. So let's say we want to set an effect, and then beep once, vibrate once, edge lightning effect once. So as you can see, we can create something pretty interesting, and we can make our Galaxy S24 Ultra behave just as we wish it to behave. Keep in mind that you can also create multiple if statements. So if you select one, let's say we're gonna go with mobile data, and then when it's on, we can also make sure that, let's say, Wi-Fi is on. So if both of these conditions are met, then what should happen? So let's say we're gonna enter the mode, and we can turn on mode, and then we can create we can use one of those that we have created, or sorry, one of those that we have already made, or we can make a custom one. And then if we do so, then we can also select when the routine ends and then press save. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.